Alrighty, I will be doing a few questions for the digital fabrication exam. We'll first be starting with the keychain. I will be using an oval to make the keychain. So first we're going to click on sketch and we will do the top plane. And under the create menu, select the ellipse button. The dimensions need not be accurate, but you can give an approximation. I'm trying to give around 30 and the entire length for 60, right? So we will give an approximate an entire length for around 60, and we'll give a random direction for the height. What we'll do after this is we'll define two lines. One is going to be a construction line. This is our construction line, and the other line is just going to be a normal line which joins to the center of the ellipse. We will then use the trim tool and trim one end or half of the ellipse off, and we'll finish the sketch. We will use the revolve tool right now, and for the axis we'll use the construction line which we have defined, and that'll give the entire body of our nameplate or keychain, right? So I'll just click on OK, and what we'll do after this is first we will properly name our body as main body. Now we will now offset a plane. So under the construct menu there's an offset plane button. I'm going to use the top plane for this, and we will offset the top plane and to an approximate distance. It need not be accurate, you can give any distance, and I'll just do OK. Now in the offsetted plane we're going to create another sketch, and what we'll do now is under the create menu there's a project or include button. Click on the project there and select bodies and select the entire body and click OK. This will basically create a projection of this body on our projection plane. We will now use this. Go to create again and click on the text button. Select a small box which is within the boundary, and we will add our text. I'll add my name, and we will align it in the center. We'll make it bold, and we'll click on OK. Now we've added the text on the plane. Now we'll have to emboss. Now the thing about this is, if it was a normal planar surface, you need not have embossed it, but since it is a curve, if you want to project anything on it, you'll have to use the emboss tool, which is under the create. You'll find after you finish the sketch. I've finished the sketch now. Under create there's an emboss tool. You click on that, and for the projection plane I'm going to select the text plane which we have defined, and for the face we will select the surface. This will create an emboss like this. Now you can either do an emboss or you can do a deboss. A deboss pushes it inside while an emboss pushes it outside. So I'm going to do an emboss, and we'll do it around 0.5, and we'll click on OK. So now I've embossed my name on this main body, right? We'll have to create a hole right now. We'll use the same construction plane which we had previously defined, and what we'll do is we'll create the sketch again on this, and we'll create a small hole over here, small circle, and we'll click on finish sketch. Now we'll use the hole tool, select the circle which we have created, and we will simply pass through the entire surface. We'll make the hole slightly smaller. You don't have to be specific, you can make it as properly as you see fit. Whoops, it got deselected. We will have to click on hole, this surface, the circle, and you do that, right? And I'll just make it slightly smaller. We don't need a big hole, around that much, and click on OK. Now we have the hole, we have the name. What do you have to do now? I think now we can start doing the circles or the chain, right? And to do that you will first have to we'll go to sketch again, and we will now select the top plane here. For me it is back. We will select that, and we will also do under inspect before this, right? Before all of this, before sketching, what we'll do is under inspect we will do the section analysis, where we'll select the top plane, or for me it's the back plane, and we will do okay. Now we can basically see it's like an X-ray vision. We can see inside our main body, and this is useful while making these circles, because when I now sketch and I select the back plane again and I'm trying to make circles, right, I select the center circle and will define it in a way that the circles pass right through the hole in this way. That's going to be my first circle. And what we'll do right now is we'll first finish the sketch. You can do this in a number of ways, but I'm simply going to select the path and I'm going to select the pipe button. We won't make it too big. I think we'll keep it at 1 mm and we'll keep it as a new body and click on OK. That now creates a ring. We will turn off analysis. Now we can see that there's a ring, right? We'll have to make another ring similar to this. So for that we'll first define this as ring 1. Click on enter and we'll click on this. We will copy and we will paste the body. So now I have two rings, right? We will align this ring so it kind of looks interlocked and not intersecting. For that we will try rotating it a little bit, and let me just try aligning it. Yes, there you go, and it's aligned. So now we have two rings that pass through the hole, and you click on OK, and now we have properly defined the entire key bunch. We can try editing the appearance. For that you can click on the surface, click on appearance there, click on appearance there, and for this I think we can just do like a we can probably do, what do I like, I think we'll just make it black or something. We'll just make a metal, yeah, and we will use like a chrome. We will use a black chrome. And for the name we can also do that, right? We can select this surface of the names, and this is purely this isn't necessary, it's only if you want to do it, but I like to make the appearance different because it kind of gives this personalized look. So we can click on appearance and we can add a color. I'll probably add red. Oops, we'll add red. Wasn't selected properly. Alright, give me a second. Select all the surfaces, click on that, click on appearance and red, and okay, and there you go. We have now added colors. Now you could make another thing. What you can do is select the same plane again. We'll create a sketch, and what we can do here is, again, we will define the profile plane and we can add two lines to give it like a stylistic look, like we'll create a patch. So with this we will now do finish sketch, select this section, and we will again do emboss. Under create, click on emboss and select the face and click on OK. So I think that sort of gives it a more stylistic look. You don't have to do it. You can do such patterns if you want to. Otherwise you can just leave it be. I think it's already good as it is. Whoops. Yeah, we'll keep it at that. Yes, and we click on OK. So with that we have successfully finished our keychain. We can also add a snap hook. I don't think a snap hook is necessary, but I'll make a subsidiary video on how you can use a snap hook if you want to. It's really not necessary, but you can add it if you think you will need it. Otherwise you're already good. Okay, I'll leave it at that. So that concludes my keychain. It's just the name. There's you can make these bars. You can add these rings, and I think that'll conclude it. You can also add a snap hook. The snap hook will probably take another video, so I'll do it separately. For now, I think this is how you use emboss and make a keychain. Yes, thank you.